If you've never created videos for your business, or you've tried once and didn't see any results, you're quietly leaving money on the table every single day. Most business owners avoid video because it feels confusing, expensive, or time-consuming. But the truth is, when done right, video is one of the most powerful tools to grow your business. Video helps you build trust at scale. It shows people what it's like to work with you before they even call. It can help you increase sales, attract better clients, and create more consistent visibility. The issue is that most businesses do nothing, or they just post random videos that lead nowhere. There's no plan, no message, no clarity, so they give up and miss out on what video can really do. Now, here's something for you. Before you spend a single dollar on filming, be crystal clear on 3 things. What's the goal of the video? Is it sales, trust, bookings? Who exactly are you talking to? Here's a pro tip. It's never everyone. And third, what action do you want them to take? Click, call, book? Be very specific. Most videos fail because they skip this part. They look nice, but lead nowhere. If you just answered those 3 questions, you're already ahead of 90% of your competition. Here at Leedia Studios, we help brands build and execute a real video strategy, one that is designed to get results even if you're starting from scratch. We've worked with big brands, but also small businesses and startups. Some had never done a video before. The cool thing is that now their videos drive bookings, sales, and brand awareness every single day. It all starts with a free strategy call. We'll look at your brand, your goals, and walk you through what kind of content actually move the needles for you. You leave the call with a custom video plan built just for your business. No guesswork, no pressure. We'll guide the entire process from messaging to filming, editing, even how to post it. Now, I know that you might be thinking, is this too early for me? Do I even have anything worth showing? If you have a product or service, you do have a story to tell. Most of our clients felt the same way at first. Now they say it's one of the best decisions they've ever made for their brand. So if you've been on the fence about video or just didn't know where to start, this is the best first step. For a limited time, you can click below, book your free call, and we'll help you get total clarity on how to use video to grow. The worst case, you leave with a great plan. The best case, we bring it to life together, so you can actually reap the benefits of video production. I'll talk to you soon.